Okay, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you some questions and you have to answer. Let's start with you. Do you like chatting with your friends?
Yes, I mostly use chatting with
I
my
mostly
friends
chat with my
and
friends.
chat with my friends because I have no time to meet with my friends in person. So I mostly prefer chat with my friends in online.
Okay, so you can replace the word chat with talk, converse,
Converse,
conversation, chit
conversation.
chat. These
Okay.
words will improve your bench score. What do you usually chat about with your friends?
Most of time, I usually talk about study related topic. For example, research point of view. Sometime I discuss some things related to abroad, as well as IELTS related talks with my friends, and other all these things. Sometimes we discuss shopping plan, and some other things related to my
Okay.
home.
Do you prefer to chat with a group of people or with one friend only?
No, I mostly prefer in one only person,
I mostly prefer to talk to one
one
person
person
only.
only,
Yeah.
because I feel very comfortable with single person conversation, and we discuss easily, comfortably all these matter related to my life and other person. So it is very convenient for me.
Okay. Do you prefer to communicate face to face or using social media?
It went upon
It
condition. It
depends.
depends upon conditions, but most of time when I present in university, so I prefer.
When I am present in the
When
university,
I am present in university, so I prefer to conversation with in
I
face to.
prefer to converse.
I prefer to converse face to face with my friends, as otherwise I prefer to conversation online.
Okay, I prefer to converse online. I prefer to chat online. I prefer to talk online. I prefer to discuss online, something like that.
जी.
Okay, so try to use a variety of words. It'll be better. Now it's your turn, please. Let's make a start. Do you usually help people who are around you?
Yes, most of the time I help people and that are living nearby me, and it gives me energy and inner satisfaction, and as well my family, my parents taught me to help others.
Okay. How did your parents teach you to help others?
Uh, my parents actually taught me doing practical. I saw them helping needy persons and the people they are living around us. So by seeing them, I learned how to help others.
Okay. Is it important to teach children to help others?
Yes, of course, it is important from the beginning to teach the children to helping others, and keeping in mind the needy people, and providing them every kind of help.
Have you
That,
ever tried to help old people?
yes, of course, many times I have tried to help old peoples whenever I am in the market and I saw some
I
elderly
see.
and I see elderly peoples working with difficulty as having some loads. I help them in carrying their loads, and if some old people is selling something,
If the old people are selling
yeah,
something,
uh, if they are all selling something, and I prefer to buy things from them. So in
okay,
this way, I help
this
them.
is good. So try to add some expressions to your voice. Speak actively, cheerfully, happily, excitedly. These things will improve your pen score, right? Thank you so much.